In this Microsoft Word tutorial, you will learn how to insert and format shapes in WordArt. To insert a shape, you can use the Tell Me bar by clicking in the Tell Me bar and searching for the command Shapes. You click on Draw a Shape and then choose your desired shape. And then all you have to do is draw it on your page. The other way that you can insert a shape is going to the Insert tab, clicking on the Shapes command, and choosing a shape from this menu. To resize and change the shape of your shape, use the white dots that come up around your shapes box. At the top of the box, when your shape is clicked on, you will see a rotation arrow. If you click on this arrow, hold your click down, you can rotate your shape. To change the formatting of your shape, click on the shape you want to format, and then click on the Format tab that pops up on the ribbon. From here, you can edit your shape's fill, outline, and give your shape advanced effects. To change your shape fill, click on Shape Fill, and you can change the color of your shape from this menu. You can access more colors by clicking More Fill Colors. You can fill it with a gradient fill, or you can even fill it with a texture fill. You can also choose to fill it with a picture. Click on Picture. Then you can search an image through Bing. Choose your image, and the image will insert in your picture. To format the outline of your picture, go to Shape Outline. You can choose a color from here. You can also choose the weight of your outline, and you can also format the dashes of your outline. You can give your shape a few more advanced effects by going into Shape Effects. You can give your shape shadows, a reflection, put a glow around your shape, or even give it a 3D rotation. If you want to assemble your shapes to make it look like an object, the text wrap command might come in handy. For example, I am assembling an ice cream cone and I want my yellow ice cream to be on top of my red ice cream. And as you can see right now, it goes behind. So you could change your text wrapping, click on your red ice cream, and instead of putting it in front of your text, just like it is now, you're going to make it so it is behind your text. And when you do that, your red ice cream will go behind your yellow ice cream. And then you can assemble your cone. Next, I'm going to show you how to group your objects together so they're easier to work with. So click on one of your shapes, go to your Format tab, hold down your Shift key, and select the rest of your shapes you want to group together. With all of your shapes selected, go up to the Group command and click Group. Now all the shapes are grouped together. Now you can easily copy by hitting Control-C and paste the object that you created. Now you can assemble the rest of your shapes. Now, even though the shapes are grouped together, you can still format them individually. So if you still just click on the shape individually, you can still go onto your Format tab, and you can still change your shape fill and your shape outline for those individual shapes. The last thing that we're going to look at is how to insert WordArt. If you go to the Insert tab, the WordArt command is a little tilted blue A. You're going to click on that, and then you're going to choose your WordArt style. It's going to insert a text box, and then in the text box, you can just write your desired text. You may resize, reshape, and move your text box. Now to format your text, select the text in the text box, go to your Format tab, and from your Word Art Styles group, you can edit things like your shape's fill, your shape's outline, and then you can even give your text different types of effects. So 3D rotation, you can give it a shadow, you can give it a glow, and you can also transform your text to give it a shape. You can also format the shape of your WordArt text box. So in the Shape Styles Commands group, they have some preset designs here that you could choose from. Or you can create your own by choosing your shape fill, choosing your shape outline, and choosing different shape effects.